Happy 2019 from FitLabPGH, our sister podcast, Moving to Live. Both of them are podcasts about movement. Movement's part of what makes your life complete, and it should be a lifestyle, not just an activity. We're big promoters of moving outside. Sometimes you have to move inside, but if you have a choice, try to opt outside. Dry air in the winter, people coughing and sneezing, lots of flus and colds going around. So if you can get outside, you can breathe in some fresh air. If the cold air bothers you, we've talked about gaiters before. We like the Smartwool one because it's wool. We've talked about how it keeps your neck warm, but it can also keep the air warm. So you can exercise outside, breathing into it. Gives you the opportunity to explore new places. It's not going to be as crowded in the winter as it is in the summer, and it's a lot nicer with the proper clothing to be outside in cooler weather. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH.